Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by examining surface gloss and identifying the most faded panels. Start now. Use a microfiber to remove grit and wash with mild detergent. This reveals true color. Once clean, tape edges and test a small, hidden patch with rubbing compound and primer to confirm adhesion and color match. Do this because paint can hide sun damage. Knowing the finish and a safe test spot prevents costly mistakes later. Make sure to note which tools you'll use so you're ready to proceed without stopping. You now repair the faded layer. Wet sand progressively to remove oxidized clear coat. Start with 800 grit, then refine to 1500-2000 for a smooth base. Once sanded, apply rubbing compound to level micro scratches. After that, use a finer polishing compound to restore sheen. When finished, apply a UV protectant clear coat to seal pigment and stop future fade. Work in controlled sections and continually compare adjacent panels so you maintain consistent. You complete the job by applying 1 to 2 thin clear coats. Allow the manufacturer's cure time between each layer so solvent doesn't trap haze. Once fully cured, buff lightly with a soft pad for uniform gloss and use a clay bar if surface contaminants return. If you see blotchy color or edges, don't panic. Sand to a feathered edge, clean, and recoat that area. Alternatively, use a spot blend technique to match adjacent panels. This ensures a seamless finish and prevents repeat fading.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.